So vaginal rejuvenation is not about how the vagina looks, it's actually about how it feels. So it's really thinking about stress urinary incontinence, time to orgasm, laxity, lubrication. I mean, it's just an overall general wellness of sexual health. A lot of patients, when they're coming in and describing their symptoms, they talk about lack of vaginal lubrication, they're having stress incontinence, maybe the time to orgasm isn't what it used to be. I have had patients report to me that they are afraid to work out, they're not working out anymore, they're afraid to go out and have drinks with their friends, they're afraid they'll laugh, and they don't want to spend time wearing pads or whatnot. So this has actually really changed the game for those patients. So the Genevieve is a great tool for helping women with stress incontinence, laxity, problem with vaginal dryness. I have patients report that it's way exceeded their expectations in all of those areas. I mean, they're like, okay, I'm going to do the treatment, maybe it'll work. But then when I talk to the patients 30 days later, 3 months later, they're like, I cannot believe how much this has helped. This procedure has helped people's relationship a lot because, there was the issue with maybe they were having some sexual dysfunction related to vaginal dryness so that they were not feeling as close to their partner. So now, because they don't have that issue anymore, they are feeling a lot closer and it's a lot better. The Genevieve procedure is very comfortable because it utilizes a technology of radiofrequency along with cryotherapy. So there's a simultaneous heating and cooling. So patients find the procedure itself very comfortable. The actual applicator that we use is very small. It's like this size of a Sonicare toothbrush minus the bristles. So it's not invasive at all. So there are a lot of options out there for men as far as treating sexual dysfunction, and the women have been for a long time left in the cold. And now that we have Genevieve, this is for you ladies. It's to help you with your stress incontinence, it's to help with the sexual dysfunction, and just your overall sexual satisfaction. The only downside is I talk to people, I'm like, well, if you're, you might think about sex a lot more, you might not get as much work done.